Good morning, kids. How are you all? Fine? Okay. So, kids, today we are going to start our new topic. EVS subjects new topic. The name of our new topic is My Daily Routine. मेरी रोजाना की दिनचर्या. Okay? So, kids, do you know what is daily routine? Do you know what is the meaning of daily routine? Let's know. Here, kids, in the circle, two words are here. First is daily and second is routine. The meaning of first word daily is everyday. डेली का मतलब होता है रोजाना, एवरीडे. एंड द मीनिंग ऑफ रूटीन इज द सीरीज ऑफ डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज विच वी डू एवरी डे इन ए प्रॉपर वे और ऑन अ फिक्स्ड टाइम. हम रोजाना जो गतिविधियाँ सही तरीके से सही समय पर रोजाना करते हैं, डेली करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड daily routine. Okay, so this is called daily routine. सिंपल वर्ड्स में रोज़ की जाने वाली गतिविधियों को डेली रूटीन कहते हैं, डेली रूटीन में यूज करते हैं. हियर इन दिस पिक्चर अराउंड दिस सर्कल some images are here. These images, these pictures are related to our daily routine. First is here is a boy who is getting up, waking up. This is the boy who is waking up early in the morning. So our daily routine start with wake up early in the morning, then goes like this. These activities we do and again finished at go to bed. Then again next day we start our daily routine with getting up early in the morning. So kids, the meaning of daily routine is the usual series of everyday activities that you do at a particular time in a fixed order. डेली रूटीन दिनचर्या एक ऐसी गतिविधियों की श्रृंखला है, सीरीज है, जो हम डेली करते हैं, सही तरीके से और सही समय पर करते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड डेली रूटीन. नाउ लेट्स नो more about daily routine. Here are different types of images we will see here. Okay, so you have to watch these images very carefully and listen also, because you are going to learn about your daily routine, and after learning this chapter you have to be ready for telling about your daily routine. Okay, you have to prepare yourself so that you can tell, you can express about your daily routine to others also. Okay, so let's do. The first activity of your daily routine is wake up. After that you get up. So we wake up early in the morning, so you can tell according your daily routine here. I wake up. Second, I get up. wake up यानी जागना और get up का मतलब उठना. Sometime we get up but we do not wake up properly. हम उठ तो जाते हैं लेकिन वेकअप मतलब जागते नहीं हैं प्रॉपर तरीके से. हम क्या करते हैं, उठ जाते हैं लेकिन आंखें बंद होती है, हमको नींद आती रहती है. सो that time we do not wake up properly. So all of us, we have to wake up, then we get up. Okay, this is our proper daily routine. After getting up, we go to wash our face. We wash our eyes also. Okay, so you can write here or tell here, I wash my face, I brush my teeth. You can tell here, I brush my teeth. Dear kids, we all should brush our teeth every day. We should brush our teeth twice in a day, in the morning time and in the night time also. After having dinner, after taking dinner, डिनर करने के बाद भी हमको अपने टीथ, अपने दांत साफ करने चाहिए. ओके, सो कीप दिस इन योर माइंड. आफ्टर ब्रशिंग आवर टीथ वी टेक अ शावर. हम नहाते हैं. सो यू कैन टेल हियर, आई टेक अ शावर. नेक्स्ट, गेट ड्रेस्ड. कपड़े पहनना, तैयार होना. यू ऑल्सो गेट ड्रेस्ड properly for your school. Okay, so you can tell here, I get dressed. After that, I take breakfast. You tell here, I take breakfast. Dear kids, we all should have to take our breakfast properly on time. Okay, you can't skip your breakfast. Okay, remind it, you should not skip your breakfast. Okay, if you want to be fit and fine and healthy also, okay, then you have to take your breakfast every day on proper time. Okay, that's good. Next is go to school. After having your breakfast, taking your breakfast, you go to school. So you can tell here, I go to school. In school, dear kids, you take different classes, you attend different classes. Different teachers teach you different subjects like English, Hindi, EVS, maths, music, dance, etc. So you take different classes, attend your different classes. Okay, so you can tell here, I take classes. After that, in lunch time, in recess time, you take your lunch. So you can tell here, I take lunch. I play games. Dear kids, you also get your games period in your school. Okay, on Saturday there is fun day in our school also. So you play games, different games in your games period. Okay, now tell me children, where do you go for play इन योर स्कूल? आप गेम्स खेलने के लिए अपने स्कूल में कहाँ जाते हैं? टेल मी. ओके, आई गिव यू सम ऑप्शंस. इन द क्लास रूम, इन द म्यूजिक रूम, इन द प्रिंसिपल रूम और इन द प्ले ग्राउंड. वेयर डू यू गो फॉर प्ले? इन द प्ले ग्राउंड. ओके, दिस इज द प्लेस. प्ले ग्राउंड इज द प्लेस वेयर वी कैन प्ले फ्रीली. हम आनंद से खेल सकते हैं. दैट इज द प्लेस, प्ले ग्राउंड. ओके, सो यू कैन टेल हियर, आई प्ले गेम्स. नेक्स्ट, आई कम होम. आफ्टर प्लेइंग गेम्स, देन अगेन यू अटेंड क्लासेज. एंड व्हेन स्कूल टाइम इज ओवर, जब स्कूल ओवर हो जाती है, स्कूल की छुट्टी हो जाती है, बच्चों की छुट्टी हो जाती है, देन यू कम टू होम. सो यू कैन टेल हियर, आई कम होम. After coming home, what do you do? Do homework. Very good. You get different subjects homework in the school, so you have to complete your homework also. So you can tell here, I do my homework. You can tell here, I do homework. मैं अपना स्कूल का गृह कार्य करता हूँ या करती हूँ. Next is watch TV. Most of the students like to watch TV, like to watch cartoon. Okay, you also like this, so you can tell in your daily routine about this, like I watch TV. मैं TV देखता हूँ. After that, in the night time, you have your dinner. So you can tell here, I have dinner. Okay, dear children, here dinner is a time for food. डिनर है यहाँ पर, इसको हम रात का भोजन है उसको डिनर बोलते हैं. ओके, जो सुबह का होता है ब्रेकफास्ट होता है, लंच के टाइम लंच करते हैं एंड नाइट के टाइम हम डिनर करते हैं. ओके, सो यू कैन टेल हियर, आई हैव डिनर. आफ्टर हैविंग डिनर व्हाट डू यू डू? You go to sleep? Yes, that is good habit. Okay, so you can tell here, I go to bed. Where do you go for sleeping? In the bed. बिस्तर पर सोने के लिए जाते हैं. So you can tell here, I go to bed. So dear kids, all these activities are related to your daily routine. Okay, now now we can recap here. Okay, we recap here our learned activities again. You also speak with me. First is, I wake up early in the morning. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I get dressed. Then I take breakfast. After that I go to school. I take classes. I take lunch. I play games. After that I come to home. I do my school homework. I watch TV. I have dinner, and at last I go to bed. I go to bed at night time. So these are the different activities of our daily routine. Okay, so kids, we have learned about our daily routine activities. Now some exercise. You can test your knowledge about daily routine. Okay, क्वेश्चन 1, what do you do early in the morning? आप सुबह जल्दी क्या करते हैं? Get up. Good. So you can write here, I get up early in the morning. Second question, where do you play? आप कहाँ खेलते हैं? Tell me. Children, we have learned about this before some time. We talk. Okay, we have done this before some time in the playground. Very good. We play in the playground. So we can write here, I play in the playground. Next is, what is the girl doing in this picture? इस पिक्चर में लड़की क्या कर रही है? Understand, remind the answer and speak out. What is the girl doing in this picture? You also do this activity after getting up. Washing face. Good. The girl is washing her face here. Next question is question 4. Arrange these pictures according their time sequence. यहाँ कुछ पिक्चर्स है, उनको उनके टाइम सीक्वेंस के अकॉर्डिंग 1 2 3 इस तरह से ये नंबर है, इनसे मैच करना है. जो एक्टिविटी फर्स्ट सबसे पहले होती है, यू हैव टू मैच दैट एक्टिविटी पिक्चर विथ फर्स्ट नंबर. ओके, लाइक दिस you do all the pictures. First is get ready for school, get dressed. Second picture is go to bed, sleeping, and third is playing in the playground, and fourth is wake up. So wake up is the first daily routine activity, so we have to match this picture with one number. Second is getting dressed, get dressed, so we have to match this picture from 2 number. Third is play in the playground, so we have to match this from 3 number, and 4 is go to bed, so we have to match this from 4 number. Question 5, put numbers in the boxes according daily routine sequence. यहाँ पर कुछ सेंटेंसेज हैं, इनको रीड आउट करना है, समझना है, और उनके आगे कुछ बॉक्स है, उसमें आपको नंबर फिलअप करना है कि कौन सा सेंटेंस है, कौन सी एक्टिविटी है, वो हम सबसे पहले करते हैं, उसके आगे 1 नंबर, और जो उसके बाद में जो एक्टिविटीज होती है उनके सीक्वेंस के अकॉर्डिंग उनके नंबर राइट करना. ओके, सो वी रीड हियर. आई टेक ब्रेकफास्ट, मैं ब्रेकफास्ट करता हूँ या करती हूँ. आई गो टू बेड, I get up early in the morning, I do my school homework, and I go to school. So dear kids, out of these activities, all of first we do third number activity, green color activity, that is I get up early in the morning. After that we take our breakfast. So this is the first sentence, I take breakfast. After that we put 3 number in front of the sentence, I go to school. This is the third number sentence. And after that I do my school homework is the 4 number sentence, and at last I go to bed. This is the 5th number sentence. So we put here numbers. This is the first, this is the second sentence, this is the third sentence, this is 4th number, and this last 5 number sentence. Okay, now come to question 6. Write the correct doing word or verb for given activities. यहाँ जो एक्टिविटीज़ दी गई है इनके लिए आपको करेक्ट डूइंग वर्ड, क्रिया शब्द यूज करना है, जो बॉक्स ब्लैक कलर में बॉक्स में दिए गए हैं, नीचे पिक्चर्स हैं, उनके नीचे चूज़ करके करेक्ट डूइंग वर्ड लिखना है. फर्स्ट, इन द फर्स्ट पिक्चर अ गर्ल इज राइटिंग, सो वी हैव टू राइट हियर राइट डूइंग वर्ड. In the second picture boy is wake up, so we have to write here wake up. In the third picture girl is eating, so we put here it. And last, in the last picture children are coming to home, so we write here coming new, coming doing word. Next is think and write, socho or likho. So we have to read the question, then think, and then we have to write here the answer. So the first 7 number question is name the place where you go for your study. आप अपनी पढ़ाई करने के लिए कहाँ जाते हैं? You also go for your study. You go, where do you go for your study? Tell me. In the school. Very good. You go to school for your study, so you can write here your answer is school. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, a place where you play. एक ऐसी जगह जहाँ आप खेलते हैं. What we call that place? We have learned about this place before some time. We talk about it. What is the name of that place? Playground. That is the place, playground, जहाँ हम खेलते हैं. Playground is the place where we can play freely with enjoying. हम आनंद से वहाँ खेल सकते हैं, वहाँ कोई डांटने वाला नहीं है. Okay, now tell me, when you play at your home, can you play everywhere in your home? In the kitchen, in the bedroom. Okay, you can play everywhere? No? Okay, क्योंकि हमको डांट पड़ेगी, हम हर जगह खेलेंगे, तो खेलने की एक प्रॉपर जगह होती है. ए प्लेस वेयर वी कैन प्ले फ्रीली, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्लेग्राउंड. ओके, लास्ट एंड नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज क्वेश्चन 9. राइट अबाउट योर ओन डेली रूटीन एंड लर्न. आप अपने खुद के डेली रूटीन के बारे में लिखो और याद करो. यू हैव टू राइट मिनिमम 10 sentences about your own daily routine and learn also. Okay, you have to prepare yourself to speak. You have to express about your daily routine to others. ओके, आपको अपने आप को प्रिपेयर करना है, अपने आप को, कि आप दूसरों के सामने अपने डेली रूटीन के बारे में बता सके, आप उनके सामने कुछ सेंटेंस बोल सके. ओके, सो यू हैव टू लर्न एंड राइट अबाउट योर डेली रूटीन ऑल्सो. So that's all for today's topic. So kids, I hope you learn lots of things from this topic. I hope you will able to, after learning this topic, after doing this topic, you will be able to speak, to tell about yourself, about your daily routine to others. Okay, so keep learning, keep smiling, and live happy and healthy. Have a nice day. Thank you.